Let us solve the system by substitution method. So, ito yung ating equation 1. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in 1. So, lahat ng y, kasi may value tayo ng y dito. Lahat ng y sa equation 1, papalitan natin ito. X plus y equals 7. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, x plus, palitan natin yung y nitong 2x plus 1 dahil ito yung value niya. 2x plus 1 equals 7. Ngayon, pwede na natin yan i-solve in terms of x. Pwede na natin i-combine yung like terms. X plus 2x is 3x. Tapos itong positive 1, transpose natin doon. Sama natin kay constant. So, 7. And then itong positive 1, from positive, magiging negative. Then 3x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now, since x pa lang ang nasosolve natin dito, equation 1 yung ginamit natin kanina to solve for x, ang gagamitin naman natin is equation 2 para masolve naman natin yung y. So, substitute x in equation 2. And our equation 2 is y is equal to 2x plus 1. So, y equals 2 times our value of x is 2 plus 1. Y equals 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. Therefore, y equals 5. Ngayon, i-check pa natin para ma-sure na tama ba yung values. So, checking. So, ginamit natin yung equation 2 dito. Balik tayo sa equation 1. So, x plus y equals 7. Ang x natin is 2 plus ang y natin is 5 equals 7. And 2 plus 5 is 7. It is equal to 7. Therefore, the solution is 2, 5. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin nito, yung 2 and 5, pag sinubstitute mo dito sa dalawang ito, magsasatisfy. Okay, magsasatisfy dun sa equations. Both of the equations.